Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create invites to any Discord guild you want yourself. If the server has been set to public, you can invite anyone to the server by right-clicking on the server icon on the left, then select Invite People. In this menu, you can scroll down a list of your friends and click the invite button next to each name. You can also press the copy button to copy a link to your clipboard and send it to anyone. This invite link will expire in 24 hours by default. Anyone you give the link to will be able to create an account and join the server even if they don't already use Discord. To customize a Discord invite, you can change the expiration date and set a maximum number of uses for a Discord invite link. To customize this invite link, click the Edit Invite link in the Invite menu. In the Server Invite Link Settings menu, open the first drop-down menu to choose how long the link will last. You can set various intervals from 30 minutes to forever. Use the second drop-down menu to set how many people can use the link before it expires. You can limit the setting from one person to no limits. Finally, click the Grant Temporary Membership toggle to make Discord kick accounts off the server once they leave. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.